Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button for any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch token or coin with a Tether US dollars. So basically 1 inch right now is sitting at a price of right around 3.32 US dollars. Or today we see a loss of right around 10 cents or nearly 3% only for today. So my prediction is staying the same. I think that right now we'll be heading to the downtrend, maybe touching these levels right around 280, something like that. The worst case scenario, we touch the buy zone. Not the worst case because you could buy more 1 inch coins right there and before you start pushing to the upside. So yeah, if your question is, Stefan, should I buy right now, or like overall, should I buy 1 inch right now? Absolutely, bro. Just make sure, because it is in the dip, make sure to put 1/5, no, 1/4, 1/3, or maybe like 1/5 of your money of your capital right now. So you want to stay in the game, and if this continues to dip, make sure to get in. Oh yeah, I was saying, so if it starts to dip, make sure to get in on the dip, buy the dip. So yeah, this will be basically it. And if it like doesn't dip, make sure to buy one just like on Monday, basically on Monday. So yeah, if you want to stay into the waves of 1 inch, make sure to get in right now. So yeah, this is basically for today's update. Let me know what are your thoughts about 1 inch. I think that tomorrow we'll be having a bearish day about 1 inch. So make sure to scoop up some more shares, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. And I'm not financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just giving you my opinion about it. I'm not forcing you to own 1 inch or buy a 1 inch coin or anything like that. So yeah, this is my own advice, and I will see you guys soon. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to click the link down into the description down below. And I will appreciate it if you just like the video. It means a lot to me. And yeah, peace out, guys. Love you all and stay safe out there.